One word, three meanings. Let me show you how one word can mean three different things in Yoruba language. In Yoruba, tone change everything. Let me show you how. Take, for example, this word, or we or. You can be using it to mean owo as in hand, or owo, broom, owo, broom. It can also mean owo, which is a town in Yoruba land. Yoruba has three tones. It either goes up, mid, or low. Think of it like music. Your voice can go up, can stay flat, or can go down. Say it with me. Owo, hand. Owo, broom. Owo, broom. Owo can mean a town in Yoruba land. Owo, re, mi. Owo, re, mi. Owo, re, do. Owo, re, do. Owo, do, do. Owo, do, do. Now tell me, which Yoruba tone do you find the hardest? Odabo.